Gold and silver, June 9th, 2021, 10:44 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Huh? And somebody needs to do a little update. That's somebody being me. Let's get into gold and silver market update. Look at the gold futures. As you may know, if you watched some of these videos before, this candle that you're seeing right here, when I float my cursor on that, look over in this box, you're going to see some information. The date, open of the candle, high of the candle, low of the candle, close of the candle, if it has been closed yet. But look at the date, the 10th. Look down here at this date, the 9th. That's what happens in Hawaii, baby. We're on Hawaiian Standard Time over here. So this candle is for the 10th. Let's look at the 9th. And let's look at the let's look at the 9th. This doji candle, look at that, right in the middle, indecision. So it opened right here, traded up there, traded down there, closed right there, and now we're retesting this low. Obviously we're jumping onto the candle of the 10th. So that's what happened. This candle closed, sideways action a little bit. It's a little line in the sand. Now we're selling off down here. On this candle of the 10th, is it going to remain above 1880? That's been my question for a while. We will see. Looks like maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. We will see. What's up with the line chart? Well, we had a W possibly forming, but now look at this. Looks like an M. If this M line breaks this, then it's going to be breaking that. Maybe go lower. Maybe it'll touch this. You know, line charts are great and all, but I'm really a candlestick type of guy. So high, lower high, maybe a W bottom right here, W. The paper representatives of the physical commodity, gold and silver, they're fun. They're fun, but it's not the real deal. So let's move on to silver. Let's take a look at what the price action of the silver futures chart is looking like. Look at, if we should figure out how to do these. See if I can do some lines here. What if we play connect the dots? Connect the dots. Interesting, huh? So what's going to happen? It looks like it's getting squeezed from the bottom and from the top. It's going to break one way or the other, possibly. I'm still interested in seeing, is it going to stay above the 2550? And I was thinking about this over the last couple days, that all these videos I'm making, hardly ever do I really take a firm stance on which direction I think it's going to go. I'm really just keep talking about if it stays below here or above there, and that's primarily because for the majority of my trading, I've been selling options. So I make money by placing bets on where the asset is not going to go. So if I were to be doing that on silver, I might look to see, you know, if I was going to be selling a call way up here. That's probably pretty safe right now. This is probably pretty safe. $29 on the downside, and it depends too. Like if it's is it a naked call? Is it a covered call? Is it a call spread? Like all these things make a difference. But maybe maybe 2650. I might look into that. So it all depends what the situation is. Looking into the call to the puts, then is it a cash secured put? If it's a cash secured put, then where would I wanna sell? Well, maybe maybe 27, maybe 26. Actually, when I'm selling cash secured puts, I like to go a bit away. So if I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it at a good discount. But that's not always the case. Let's take a peek ski at the line chart. Ooh, look at that. You see that M? You see that M right there? Is it going to fulfill? We thought it was going to be a W, but man, no. Turned out to be an M today. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Also, could this be setting up for another W here? Because we're getting squeezed. Where is it going to go? I don't know. You see it's touching here, a little bit of support there. We got support right here. Look to the left. Oh, over here. Touched right there. Touch right there. So, yeah, this around this 2750, 2780 seems to be some price congestion right in there. With that, my friends, I'm gonna call this video quits. So, do me a favor. Show your buddy Brent some love. Give me some love. Give me some love. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Head on over to the Facebook group. Join that. And what other thing can you do? You can go to the website. Put your email address in there. You can leave me a message somewhere. Let's have a conversation on the phone, on Zoom, via telepathy, however we're going to do it. Let's get to know each other. You guys have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.